Welcome to this channel. In this video, we will see the specifications of Mi X Fold. The expected releasing date of this phone is 7th July 2021. The expected price of this phone is 1,11,790 rupees. Now we can see the images of this phone. These are the images. It's from front side. It's from back side. It has 3 cameras. This is the interior display. This is the image from open view. Now we can see the specifications of this phone. It is supported by Android 10. It has the Snapdragon 888 and a graphics of Adreno 660. It has 12 GB RAM. The phone has AMOLED display. The display size is 8 inches. Its brightness limit is 900 nits. The height is 173.3 mm. The width is 69.8 mm. The thickness is 17.2 mm. The weight is 317 grams. It has a triple camera. One is 108 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel telephoto and 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. It has a single front camera. It is 20 megapixel. It has a 5020 mAh capacity battery and 67 watt fast charging. Its internal memory is 256 GB storage. Its storage type is UFC 3.1. There are dual SIMs in this phone. The phone is supported by 5G, but the network is not rolled out in India. It has a USB Type-C jack. It has a fingerprint sensor at the side. It has light sensor, proximity sensor and others. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to this channel to know more phone tips and tricks.